G'day everyone, I'm the OzExplorer, and I just picked up my rooftop tent and now it's time to put it together. I have unfolded it so far this morning and surprisingly the quality is pretty good. Kind of liking it so far. I've just got to put it all together and we'll see where we go from there. I've hit a bit of a dilemma. The width of the channels to go on my roof racks is 825mm. And turns out my roof racks are only 780mm. So now I've got to try and come up with some type of fix to try and get it on, because I can't seem to find myself a roof rack or a flat rack. I really don't want to pull the welder out and bloody make one up. It's getting hot. Anyway, I'll see what I can find. Alright, it's been a couple of days since I got the rooftop tent and just got to mount her up now, and then I'll pull it out, open her up for a test look and see how she's going. So far so good. Hell yeah. Well, she's all set up now, all bolted in, and decided to open her up for a test run. So, pretty surprised with how she is. On the outside, it doesn't look massive, but really, it's not a bad size. I'll climb up there in a minute and give us all a look, just to show you how big it is. The inside is quite roomy actually, so I'll get up in there. So as you can see, it's nice and dark. It's actually not that hot. Pretty good room. It's pretty sturdy too, actually. Don't mind my cigarette there. Bad habit, but oh well. Yellow. And yeah, I can say that I'm really impressed with this. It's definitely a lot better product than what I was expecting, and can't wait to get out on the tracks and give it a go. It's gonna be awesome. Me and my partner are gonna have a ball. We'll see what it's like in the first storm. Anyway, on the OzExplorer, like and subscribe, and I'll bring you some more traveling videos. Later guys.